I just wanted to share my experience with Joint Glide because it's genuinely made a difference in how I move and feel day to day. I came across it while looking for a natural way to support my joints, something that didn't rely on painkillers or harsh chemicals. After using Joint Glide consistently, it's become a go-to part of my daily wellness routine. Since starting Joint Glide, I've noticed way less stiffness in my knees and shoulders, especially in the mornings. I used to dread getting out of bed because my joints felt so tight and sore, but that's really improved. Within the first couple of weeks, I could feel more ease and movement. Walking upstairs didn't feel like a chore anymore, and I've even gotten back into light workouts without paying for it the next day. One of the biggest changes for me has been how much more freedom I have in my day. Before, I'd avoid certain activities just because I didn't want to deal with the discomfort afterward. Now I'm back to doing things I enjoy, like gardening and long walks without that nagging ache. It hasn't been an overnight transformation, but the steady improvement has been worth it. What I really appreciate about Joint Glide is its natural formula. It includes ingredients like MSM, glucosamine, and Pycnogenol registered trademark, which I'd actually read about in some research. Knowing it's free from synthetic additives and made in the USA gave me confidence that I was putting something safe and high quality into my body. The best part? The relief has lasted. It's not like those quick fixes that wear off after a few hours. Joint Glide has helped me feel more mobile and independent over time, and that's honestly priceless. If you're dealing with joint pain, stiffness, or just want a natural way to support your joints as you age, I definitely recommend giving Joint Glide a try. It's worked for me, and I'm glad I made it part of my routine.